What happens when luxury meets raw aggression? What if your daily sedan had the heart of a supercar? Meet the all-new 2026 BMW M5. A machine built to dominate highways, racetracks, and everything in between. This is not just a sedan, this is a statement of power. At first glance, the 2026 BMW M5 looks sharper, wider, and more muscular than ever before. The redesigned kidney grille is bolder, flanked by slimmer laser headlights. Massive air intakes, sculpted lines, and an aerodynamic body kit give this beast a race-ready presence. From the quad exhaust tips to the wide rear stands, everything screams performance. This is a luxury suit wrapped around the monster engine. Step inside, and everything changes. You're welcomed by a digital curved display, ambient lighting, carbon fiber trims, and premium leather seats. The cockpit feels modern, sporty, and undeniably premium. BMW's latest iDrive system connects everything seamlessly, from driving modes to real-time performance data. And yes, it still feels like a luxury executive sedan. But press the M mode button, and it transforms. Under the hood lies pure madness. The 2026 M5 is expected to feature a high-performance twin-turbo V8 paired with hybrid power assistance, delivering explosive acceleration, 0 to 60, brutal, cornering, precise, sound, absolutely addictive. With advanced AWD and adaptive suspension, it sticks to the road like a predator hunting its prey. This isn't just fast, it's intelligently fast. So here's the real question. Is the 2026 BMW M5 the ultimate sports sedan? It has luxury, it has power, it has technology, and it has the wild DNA of BMW M. If you love performance sedans that balance comfort and chaos, this might be your dream machine. What do you think? Would you choose the M5 over its rivals? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more thrilling car content every week.